They told you if you want to make money, you have to work for it. That if you stop working, the money stops too. But that idea is already outdated. Because right now, there are systems that keep making money even when you're not doing anything at all. And in this video, I'm going to show you 8 of them, ranked from easiest to most powerful, so you know exactly where people are building real income today. Let's start. 1. Facebook pages. Attention engine. Most people scroll Facebook. A few people own it. Facebook pages are one of the simplest attention systems in the world. You pick a niche, motivation, fitness, money, relationships, luxury, and you start posting content people actually engage with. At first, nothing special happens. A few likes, a few shares, but then something changes. The page grows, and when it grows, it becomes an attention asset. Because attention is the first form of money online. Once people are consistently seeing your content, you can redirect that attention anywhere. Affiliate links, brand deals, other platforms, product offers. You are no longer posting content. You are controlling attention flow. And that's what makes it valuable. Because even when you stop posting, the page still exists and it still brings attention. Second, Pinterest affiliate search traffic system. Pinterest works differently from every social platform. It's not social, it's search. That means your content doesn't die after a few hours. It stays searchable. You create simple visual posts called pins. Each pin leads somewhere. A product, an affiliate link, a landing page, a blog. And every pin becomes a long-term traffic entry point. So instead of chasing views every day, you build a library of search-based assets. The key difference is this. Social media gives you temporary attention. Pinterest gives you permanent discovery. And once enough pins are built, traffic becomes automatic, even when you're not active. Third, TikTok Shop affiliate viral sales system. This is where things speed up. TikTok Shop is built on impulse buying. You post a short video showing a product. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no support. But if the algorithm pushes it, something happens instantly. People buy because TikTok doesn't wait for decision making. It creates impulse action. One video can generate sales in hours. And the important part, videos don't stop working after posting. They can resurface days later, weeks later, even months later, still selling, still generating commissions. But the real system is not one video. It's volume plus testing. You keep posting until something hits. Then you scale what works. Fourth, AI avatar agency, digital labor system. Now we move into something more advanced. Businesses need content constantly, but they don't always want to appear on camera. So they turn to AI avatars. This is where you step in. You build a system that generates talking avatars using AI tools, and you sell it as a service. Marketing videos, spokesperson content, social media clips. The business pays you, but here's the important shift. You are not manually creating everything. You are using a repeatable system. Templates, prompts, automation. So instead of trading time per video, you are scaling output per client. And once clients are inside the system, they don't stop because content demand never stops. Fifth, YouTube faceless channels, evergreen income assets. Most people think YouTube is about being on camera. It's not. It's about search behavior. Every video becomes a digital asset. You upload once and it can generate income for years through ads, affiliates, external offers. But the real power is compounding because YouTube doesn't forget content. A video you made months ago can suddenly start getting views again without you doing anything. That means your old work is still active, still earning, still growing. So instead of creating videos, you are building a library of income assets. Sixth, Instagram theme pages, identity-based attention. The sixth system is Instagram theme pages. Unlike Facebook pages, these are more aesthetic, more emotional, more identity-driven. You don't build around a person. You build around a feeling, luxury lifestyle, motivation, discipline, fitness, success. People follow not because of who posts, but because of what the page represents. Over time, the page becomes a digital identity hub. And once it grows, monetization becomes simple. Shoutouts, affiliate links, brand deals, page flipping. Yes, pages can be sold like assets because attention has market value. And most people never realize they are building something that can be bought. Seventh, digital products, zero inventory system. This is where money becomes completely disconnected from physical work. Digital products, ebooks, templates, guides, courses. You create it once and it sells infinitely. No shipping, no stock, no handling, just automation. But here's the real idea. You are not selling information. You are selling shortcuts. Someone wants a result faster than figuring it out alone. You give them the path. And every time someone buys, the system delivers automatically. A file is sent. Money is received without you doing anything. 8. Newsletter media brand ownership system. Now we reach the most powerful system. Newsletter, media brands. This is where you stop depending on platforms completely. Because instead of renting attention, you own it. People subscribe directly to you, and you can reach them anytime. No algorithm, no restrictions, no limits. You send emails. Those emails generate money, offers, ads, products. And once automated, the system runs daily by itself. Email sequences deliver content. Campaigns run automatically. Revenue flows continuously. And unlike social media, this is yours. That's the difference. Final message. Now step back. Because what you just saw is not 8 random business ideas. It's 8 systems that all do the same thing. They remove your time from income. Some use attention. Some use automation. Some use ownership. Some use digital assets. But all of them break the old rule. Work equals money. And replace it with something new. System equals money. So the real question is not which one is best. The real question is, which system are you going to start before nothing changes? Because these systems already exist and they already work, with or without you. Now step back for a second, because what you just saw is not 8 random business ideas. It's 8 systems that all do the same thing. They separate your time from your income. Some run on attention. Some run on automation. Some run on ownership. But all of them run without you being constantly involved. And that's the real shift most people never make. Because while most people are still trading time for money, others are building systems that make money while they sleep. So the real question is not which one is best. The real question is, which one will you start building before nothing changes? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. I'll always be breaking down systems like this. Because the goal is simple. Make your money work for you instead of you working for it.